Drawing and coloring a beautiful parrot. Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we're going to draw a beautiful parrot and fill it with bright, eye-catching colors to make it look stunning. Let's get started. Step 1. Sketching the parrot first, we'll begin by sketching the outline of our parrot using a sharp pencil. Start by drawing the parrot's beak. Make a slightly curved shape, pointed at the tip. Remember, a parrot's beak is strong and a bit hooked. Next, draw the parrot's head as a rounded shape attached to the beak. Add a small circle for the eye and a tiny dot inside for the pupil to give it life. Now, carefully sketch the neck and the curved lines of the body. Parrots usually have sleek bodies, so keep the curves smooth. After that, draw the wings. Draw long curved feathers overlapping each other. Step 2. Coloring the parrot. Now comes the fun part. Coloring. Parrots are known for their bright and beautiful plumage. Body. We'll start by filling the body with green color, as many parrots have beautiful green feathers. Use even strokes to keep the color smooth. Shade darker along the edges and under the wings to give a 3D effect. Head and neck. Add touches of lighter green or yellow around the head and neck to create highlights and make the feathers look shiny. Wings. Let's make the wings vibrant. Use red color on the top sections of the wings. Add some yellow in between the red areas to create a beautiful gradient and add depth. Tail. For the tail feathers, you can blend purple with green or blue to give it a striking look. Parrots often have multiple shades in their tails. Beak. Color the beak orange or bright red, depending on your preference. Eye. Fill in the eye with black and add a tiny white dot for shine. Final touches. Once you're done with all the main coloring, check for any gaps and fill them in. If you like, outline the parrot gently with a thin black pen to make it pop against the background. You could also add a soft sky blue background or leaves around the parrot to complete the scene. And there you have it. A bright, colorful, and absolutely beautiful parrot. We hope you enjoyed creating this artwork with